Hello everybody, I am John Brian Bangat, a criminology intern of University of Mindanao. For this video, I am going to conduct an ocular visit in our community and find things that could obstruct, hinder, or delay the response of fire truck coming from the Bureau of Fire Protection. Let's come with me to identify those things. Let's go. The first thing I notice is the hump. The hump is useful to keep a uniform and low speed on the residential street, but in times of emergency, it causes distraction and would give delay the response of fire truck. The second one is the narrow road. It is very difficult for the response team to enter in this kind of place wherein it is very narrow. Enable the fire truck to enter in the place. Only the firefighters can enter when the fire happens. The last one I noticed that could delay the response of fire truck is the ongoing construction or concreting of roads and canal. Kung may masusunog sa amin dito ngayon, maaaring madelay ang pagresponde ng fire truck kasi nga tinatrabaho pa ang daan. May alternative roads naman, kaso nga lang hindi makakapasok ang sasakyan. Only the firefighters can enter. Yun lamang ang mga nakikita kong mga bagay na maaaring makadelay ng pagresponde ng fire truck ng Bureau of Fire Protection. Maraming salamat po sa panonood.